Now we have angiosperms. Angiosperms are seed-bearing plants, and angiosperm also known as flowering plants. angiosperm जो होते हैं वो flowering plants भी इनको कहा जाता है. Having flowers give these plants a great advantage in the reproduction. Because of the presence of flower, they have a great advantage in the reproduction process, because as we already know that flower is the main reproductive part of the plant. Their seeds are contained within their flowers. इनके जो seeds होते हैं वो within the flowers पाए जाते हैं. The flowers attract insects and some and other animals that then scattered then they scatter the seeds, so they will grow into a new plant. As we already know that the function of the flower is to attract the insects and small animals because of the pollination. Due to the pollination, plants grow into a new due to the pollination, the seed grow into a new plant after the scattering. Flowering plants are included fruits and fruit trees and palm trees. Example of angiosperms are fruit trees and palm trees, included like apples and mangoes. So angiosperms are also known as flowering plants. They have flowers, and due to the presence of flowers, they have great advantages in the process of reproduction. Flowers attract the in small insects and other small animals. And the seeds are scattered. And due to the scattering, the seed convert into a new plants, and the fruit trees and palm trees are examples of angiosperms. Then we have gymnosperms. Gymnosperms have a transportation system and seed like angiosperms. The similarities between angiosperms and gymnosperms have like transportation system and seed, because angiosperms and gymnosperms both have transportation system and seed. But the difference is that the gymnosperms, they do not have flowers. In the angiosperms, plants have flowers, but in the gymnosperms plant do not have flowers. Instead, they have other ways to store and scatter their leaves. There are another process through which gymnosperms scatter and store their seeds. Among the types of gymnosperms are conifers and ferns. Conifers and ferns are the examples of the gymnosperms. If we talk about the difference between in the angiosperm and gymnosperms, then angiosperms are the flowering plants, while the gymnosperms are the non-flowering plants. If we talk about their pollination of angiosperms is through insects, wind, water, animals, and other pollinating agents. And gymnosperms, in the gymnosperms, the seeds are scattered through wind. If we talk about formation of fruit, the fruit formation is fruit formation is present in the in angiosperms, while fruit formation is absent in gymnosperm. These are evergreen plants. Any angiosperms are evergreen plants, while gymnosperms mostly green plants. If we talk about seed, in angiosperm, seeds are protected in ovary. Ovary wall can develop into fruit, and in gymnosperms, they have naked seed in their cone. If we talk about wood of the angiosperm, angiosperm have hard wood, while gymnosperm have soft wood. Examples of angiosperms are rose, apple, and mango, and example of gymnosperms are pine, grasses, etc.